Energy efficiency regulations, advanced technology integration, and a shortage of trained HVAC technicians are major challenges faced by today's HVAC industry, spanning across all residential, commercial, and industrial systems. TE Connectivity HVAC and appliance solutions facilitate a sustainable, reliable, and efficient HVAC system with error-reducing assembly, environmental sealing, and space-saving design built for long-term high performance in even the most challenging conditions. TE Connectivity HVAC and appliance solutions portfolio of motors, pumps, control systems, solenoids, valves, and wire harnesses are engineered to maximize performance that withstands high vibration, extreme temperature, moisture, and chemical exposure for a solution that is reliable in any HVAC application. TE's motor connectivity solutions increase efficiency and safety with vibration-tolerant connectors and terminals, support high currents, and perform reliably in harsh conditions for dependable fan and blower airflow needs. TE compressor connectivity solutions offer rugged connectors with sealed, thermally rated, and vibration-resistant designs for harsh cycles and environments, reducing maintenance and improving reliability. TE Control System Connectivity Solutions deliver consistent signal and data reliability in a compact design for a small footprint on board layouts with minimum real estate available. TE Solenoid and Valve Connectivity Solutions give stable performance in high-temperature environments, reduce installation time, and are designed for reliability with sealed connections that are offered in compact, rugged options. TE Wire Harness Connectivity Solutions offers sealed and vibration-resistant power and signal interconnects with quick connect terminal options. TE Harness interconnects are built for high current systems, which support a broad range of connectivity solutions in the extreme conditions of residential, commercial, and heat pump applications. Learn more at Heilind.com.